welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee, and this is how Dee does it. Today, I'm going to show you how I use these products from Modelones to create some cute fall themed nails. I had recently purchased a mystery box from Modelones for $29.99, and the semi-cured gel nail strips were a part of the box, as well as the maple leaf and the glitter. The color cube and maple leaf I purchased separately. I just wanted to quickly show you the swatches of the maple leaf collection. I love all the browns, the orange, the deep reds, and the glitter, of course, is my favorite. Alright, so let's get into these nails. I just started by simply applying a couple of thin coats of the cream polish, and I cured for 60 seconds in between. One thing I can say about using the cream polish versus regular gel polish is that the cream polish is more beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about it running into your sidewalls. You have time to apply it to, really work on getting it perfect before you cure. I also like the fact that it had so many colors and it was so compact. I did go to the website and check the price, and these were $9.99, but they often have different discount codes that you can use to even lower the price, so that's a bonus. I'm just gonna let this play out. But before I go, if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. The actual unboxing of the art kit, I'll link in the description below. And if you're feeling generous, give me a like and a comment, and I'll come back when I start something different. And before I moved on to the next step, I did go ahead and apply my top coat and let that cure for 120 seconds. And I'm just looking at these semi-cured nail strips and they don't fit. They are not long enough. So I actually decided that I would piecemeal them together and I would use two of them to cover the length of my nail. So this is what you'll see me do now. And I just cut them along the glitter line so that it wouldn't be so obvious when I applied it to my nail. Oh my gosh, I was on the struggle bus for real. Like, it took me so long to even get these off of the backing and get them onto my nails. They were totally different from the just polish strips, the ones where you just um peel off the nail and stick it onto your nail, and then use your cuticle stick to kind of smooth it out, and then you take your nail file and file away the parts that were hanging over. And I assumed that it was going to be the same process, but it was not. And unfortunately I had threw the boxes away. Definitely before I try these again, I'm going to go onto the website and read the instructions on how to apply them. So here you see where I'm taking the second piece and I cut it on the glitter line so that in hopes that it wouldn't be so noticeable that it was patchwork done. Um, I just tried my best to line up all the lines to make it flow seamlessly. As you can see right now, it's covering my cuticle area. It's hanging off on all sides. And that is the way that I cured it. I only cured it for like 10 seconds at first because I was hoping that I would be able to press it down more, just to get it a little more taut over the nail, and that wasn't the case at all. It just hardened up even more. It was comedy in here trying to get these done. I'm just laughing at myself looking at all the mistakes that I made, and I just should have read the instructions before I tried to apply these semi-cured nail strips. Yeah, so it was a lot of work getting these filed down, and I eventually had to take the the nail drill, I'm sorry, and go around the cuticle, and that actually did the trick. They are looking pretty good at this point. And so the next thing that I'm going to do is go in. I put a thin coat of base gel on so that I could just put a couple of maple leaves up there. And this did two tricks. One, it kind of jazzed up the nail. And two, it kind of covered up some of that seam line that where the patchwork didn't come together on the nail strips. Once I got all of the maple leaves on, I went over it with a top coat and cured that for 120 seconds. I did file it down a little bit and applied a second top coat just because a couple of the maple leaves were sticking up. For my pointer finger, I actually did half the plaid and half of a dark brown. Same thing went in with my maple leaves. My middle finger, I actually didn't like that color for some reason. So I took it off and used the same color on my other nails. And then I just used that red glitter to kick it up a notch. And I like the way they all turned out. And